Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Draw with Mr. Gray. Today we're going to draw a blueberry pie. So to do our blueberry pie, you want to make sure your paper is horizontal on this one. Get out your marker and let's begin. So to do our blueberry pie, I like to build the outside shape of our pie first. So on the left side of the paper, right about here, this is going to be the back of our blueberry pie. Then we can put in the bottom. We can add the front. And it's going to go into the crust. So the crust, I like to do these big pieces. It's silly looking, but it makes it funny. And then we're going to do the top of our blueberry pie. So now that we have that, we can start building in the outer crust. And I like to just do this wavy line. A wavy line at the top. You can add another line right above that so we see the edge of the top. We can add another wavy line here. And you can add these little lines so the crust looks like it's really pushed in there. Now for the top, I like to do these little tiny little mountains that just make it look nice and extra doughy. You can even go around the crust and hold your pen vertically. Do little texture dots. And now for the blueberries. What I like to do is I like to just show some of the blueberries. And just go around and add as many little blueberry shapes. You could show almost a whole one. And then I like to go around and give each of these a little highlight. And then you can add little lines around our blueberry. You can add a couple dots. Now let's go ahead and turn our paper and add a little drop shadow coming off the back. That way we know our pie is sitting hopefully on our plate right in front of us. And that is how you draw a blueberry pie. Hey guys, I hope you had fun drawing today. Did you know that everything you drew today actually comes from my brand new coloring book, the super fantastical flavor filled food coloring book, Volume 1, available now on Amazon.com. Just follow the link in the video description below to get your copy today.